Welcome to today's video. Winter is here, and as the temperature drops, protecting your home's outdoor plumbing becomes crucial. One of the simplest yet most important tasks is winterizing your outdoor faucets. This will prevent costly damage and ensure your plumbing stays intact through the season. In this video, we'll cover 1. Why winterizing outdoor faucets is essential. 2. Step-by-step instructions on how to do it. 3. The benefits of taking this preventive measure. Let's dive in. Part 1. Why winterizing outdoor faucets is essential. Outdoor faucets are exposed to freezing temperatures, making them vulnerable to bursting pipes. Here's what can happen if you skip this step. 1. Frozen water. Water left in the faucet or attached pipes can freeze, expand, and cause cracks or bursts. 2. Expensive repairs. A burst pipe can lead to water damage and costly fixes. Winterizing ensures your outdoor plumbing remains functional and saves you money in the long run. Part 2. How to winterize outdoor faucets. Follow these steps to properly winterize your outdoor faucets. Materials needed. 2. Outdoor faucet covers or insulated covers. 3. Bucket or small container. 4. Towel. Step 1. Turn off the water supply. Locate the shutoff valve inside your home that connects to the outdoor faucet. 1. Turn the valve clockwise to close it. Step 2. Drain the faucet. 1. Open the outdoor faucet to let any remaining water drain out. 2. Use a bucket or towel to catch drips. 3. If the faucet has a hose attached, remove it, drain the water from the hose, and store it indoors. Step 3. Inspect for leaks. 1. Check the faucet and pipes for leaks. 2. If you notice any, fix them before proceeding. Step 4. Install faucet covers. 1. Use an insulated faucet cover to protect the faucet from freezing. Optional step. Add pipe insulation. 1. For added protection, wrap exposed pipes connected to the faucet with insulation. 2. Use foam pipe covers or heat tape for this step. Step 5. Double check. 1. Verify that the faucet is completely turned off and no water is dripping. 2. Ensure the shutoff valve inside your home is tightly closed. Part 3. Benefits of winterizing outdoor faucets. By taking these precautions, you'll enjoy several benefits. 1. Prevent pipe bursts. Save yourself from costly plumbing repairs and water damage. 2. Energy savings. Insulating your plumbing reduces heat loss, keeping your home more energy efficient. 3. Peace of mind. Knowing your outdoor plumbing is protected allows you to enjoy the winter season stress-free. 4. Extended faucet lifespan. Preventing freezing and cracking increases the longevity of your outdoor plumbing. Winterizing your outdoor faucets is a quick, easy task that can save you a lot of trouble down the road. By following these steps, you're not only protecting your plumbing, but also ensuring your home is ready to withstand the cold. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home care tips, and let me know in the comments if you've winterized your faucets yet or have other winter prep tips to share. Stay warm, and I'll see you in the next video.